This video demonstrates how to properly install the 787 spoiler rigging tool for adjustment purposes. It does not cover the entire rigging task. Refer to the spoiler rigging task in the AMM for the entire process. The Central Maintenance Computing Function, or CMCF, and the spoiler rigging tool are necessary for this procedure. The CMCF ground test can be started with the flaps in any position. The ground test will move the flaps to the required position. Note, these steps will be repeated for each spoiler that is rigged. When the CMCF ground test steps direct you to install the spoiler rigging tool, do the following steps. Find the correct lateral position on the spoiler to put the spoiler rigging tool. There is a mark on the top surface of the spoiler panel that shows the correct position for the spoiler rigging tool. Note, the mark is where the actuator attaches to the spoiler. Make sure the set plate on the spoiler rigging tool is positioned correctly for the spoiler being rigged. Note, the set plate position is forward of the outboard spoilers and aft of the inboard spoilers. When prompted by the CMCF test, install the spoiler rigging tool below the spoiler, on the flap, with the white rig block aligned vertically. Note, the set block must be put on its left side. This will ensure the gap is a constant 0.855-inch gap. Install the spoiler rigging tool until the adjustable plate touches the trailing edge of the spoiler. Install the spoiler rigging tool below the spoiler on the flap with the white rig block aligned vertically. Manually lower the spoiler panel and apply downward pressure as required. Remove the spoiler rigging tool when the CMCF ground test directs you to remove it. To remove the spoiler rigging tool, turn the set plate on its right edge. Pull the spoiler rigging tool out from below the spoiler when there is sufficient clearance. Select Continue. When the test is completed, look at the Flight Control Maintenance page 1 for the following results. Spoiler rig shows in the bottom right corner. Passed shows in the bottom right corner of the page. The CMCF will then indicate Passed. This concludes the 787 spoiler rigging tool installation and adjustment video. Always reference your AMM for current documentation.